This video will show you how to repair the water surface in Get3D ModelFun. Open the Water Fix tool. Follow the panel from top to bottom. There are 5 steps. Step 1. Draw a water surface area. Draw a polygon to cover the entire water area. It doesn't need to perfectly match the shoreline. Step 2. Define water surface plane. Click Pick to sample a height from the model. Typically, pick the point where water meets land. The software will automatically generate the shoreline, which is shown in green. Step 3. Adjust the shoreline. Find the parts where the shoreline is inaccurate. Click Edit and draw a polygon around the incorrect area. The shoreline will automatically push toward land. If you make a mistake, click Undo to cancel the last step. Check the boundary. After all shoreline edits are done, click Confirm. Then select the shoreline. Selected lines will turn red. Connected lines are selected automatically. Ctrl+click to deselect if needed. Now the shoreline is not closed. Use the Close function to close the line. The closed line will turn bright blue. Ctrl+click to add points. Drag to adjust their position. Step 4. Add islands. This is an optional step. Select Add Island. Click Edit, then outline the island boundary on the model. Step 5. Select Fill Color. Choose a color from the palette, or sample directly from the model. Sampling from the water surface is recommended. Click Apply to process. Click OK to save the result. Open the OBJ view to check the repaired result. To compare easily, go to Global Settings and turn off the Modified Water Display. Open the edited tiles in OBJ view. The water is now flat with a natural texture. If satisfied, continue editing other areas. If you want to undo the result, use Backup and Restore. Open the Backup and Restore tool. Select the record to restore. Select the tiles, then click Restore. Open the tiles again. The water surface is now back to its original state. You can edit it again. Now you've learned how to repair the water surface. Try fixing your own model now. Thanks for watching.